Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the Seenda wireless mechanical blue colorful keyboard. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and performance of this keyboard to help you make an informed decision. The Seenda keyboard offers both wired and wireless connectivity options, including Bluetooth and 2.4G wireless, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. You can even connect up to 4 devices simultaneously and switch between them with ease. This mechanical keyboard features low-profile red switches that provide a tactile typing experience with shorter key travel. These switches improve typing speed and response time while maintaining a relatively quiet typing sound. The keyboard is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows XP, the 7th of August 10, Mac OS by 10.2 and above, and Android 4.3 and above. It works seamlessly with laptops, iMacs, MacBook Pro, Air, iPads, and smartphones. The keyboard boasts 14 different backlighting modes, including breathing, waterfall, and more, easily adjustable with FN+ keys. The dual layout blue design adds a touch of style to your workspace, making typing more enjoyable and reducing stress. The orange ESC key adds a decorative touch for a unique look. With a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, this keyboard lasts up to 30 days with the backlight on or 10 months with it off on a full charge. You can even use it while charging, ensuring uninterrupted usage. Customize key functions with macros when connected via wired mode, enhancing your productivity. The concise manual included simplifies driver and macro setup. This keyboard's exquisite design makes it a stylish desktop decoration and a perfect gift for birthdays, Christmas, graduations, or any special occasion. Ideal for friends, family, or colleagues who appreciate personalized products. In conclusion, the Seenda wireless mechanical blue colorful keyboard offers a fantastic combination of versatility, comfort, and style. Whether you're a professional or casual user, this keyboard has something to offer for everyone. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information and to make your purchase. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more in-depth product reviews.